Hey people, so we are at this place called Rocket Fuel, and it's a Sunday and we've come here early, and there's a nice breeze blowing, but as you can see we have traffic down, and this place Rocket Fuel is very close to the LV Prasad Eye Institute, and this is how it looks really. And yeah, this is already on the 6th floor, and then we are sitting on this higher, we are perched on this thing. This is how the menu card looks. So yeah, with things at around 300 and 399, 400 and 500, it is on the higher side for sure, but I guess this is something that one would like just for the experience of it. And yeah, this is bang opposite the Park Hyatt. Ayush, what is your opinion of this place?
I'm scared.
And you only chose us this place to sit right next to the... Yeah, actually now that you're saying even I'm scared, we might as well go down. But this is beautiful really. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.